Students, how are you? I hope that you will be happy, healthy, and strong at your home. Today we are going to read topic characteristics of computer. Here is some important characteristics of computer: speed, precision, reliability, memory. Okay, let us start. Speed. The speed of computer is measured by number of instructions. The microprocessor can carry out in 1 second. What is the speed of how we measure the speed of computer? Number of instructions of microprocessor carry out in 1 second. Okay, this is measured in MIPS. That means million of instructions per second. That means million of instructions per second. Okay. So what is the speed of computer? The speed of number of instructions of microprocessor can carry out in 1 second. Okay. This is measured in MIPS. MIPS means million of instructions per second. Okay. Param UA2. Here you can see two names. Okay. Param UA2. These are examples of supercomputers. Okay. These supercomputers are built by CDAC. This supercomputer was built by CDAC. CDAC means Center for Development of Advanced Computing. Okay, CDAC means Center for Development of Advanced Computing. Okay, these supercomputers are built by CDAC, Center for Development of Advanced Computing. Okay, these computers can carry out billions of instructions in 1 second. These supercomputers can carry out billions of instructions in 1 second. Okay. The next is precision. What is precision? The next is precision. Okay. Computer gives us 100% accurate result. Its accuracy is 100%. Okay, it has amazing speed. And it gives 100% accuracy. Okay, it never gives faulty output. It gives faulty output due to human error. Okay, it may give faulty output due to human error. Okay, we get correct output from computer. Okay. Next, reliability. Computer performs millions of calculations at a great speed without. It performs millions of calculations at a great speed without any mistake. Okay, so it is reliable. Means faithful. Okay, we can believe on it. It performs millions of calculations at a great speed without mistake. Okay, so it is reliable. We can believe on this machine. It is highly reliable for device repeated work. Okay, it is highly reliable for the highest repetitive work. Means it will not do mistake when we want result for same calculation for many times. Okay, it never shows. So for example, when we add two numbers on the computer, so 2 plus 2 4, it never give wrong result after repetitive many times of this calculation. Okay, it never give this 2 plus 2 is equal to 5 or 2 plus 2 is equal to 8. Okay, it gives always right calculation after processing. It never make any mistake. Next character of computer is memory. What is memory? Internal storage place for both data and instruction. Okay, what is memory? It is internal storage place for both data and instruction. Okay, it is located inside the computer. Where it is located? It is located inside the computer. Okay. So, what is memory? Internal storage place. Internal storage place for both data and instruction is memory. Okay, it is located inside the computer. Okay, there are two types of memory: primary memory and secondary memory. There are two types of memory. Okay, primary memory and secondary memory. The term primary memory refers to the main memory of a computer system. The primary memory is the main memory of computer. Primary memory is main memory of. Okay, where data and instructions are held for immediate processing. Where data and instructions held for immediate processing. Okay, there are two types of primary memory. RAM and ROM. RAM stands for random access memory. ROM stands for read-only memory. RAM stands for random access memory and ROM stands for read-only memory. RAM it is temporary. RAM is temporary memory. RAM is volatile in nature. We get lost data instruction when the computer off. Okay, in RAM we get lost data and instruction when the computer off. Okay, when the computer off, we get lost data and instructions. Okay, in RAM. Just opposite, ROM is permanent memory. It is non-volatile. We do not get lost data and instruction when the computer off. Okay, so there are two types of primary memory: RAM and ROM. RAM is temporary memory. RAM is volatile. It is volatile in nature. Okay, we get lost data and instruction when the computer off. Okay, in RAM. ROM is permanent memory. It is non-volatile in nature. we do not get lost data instruction when the computer. The second type of memory is secondary memory. All storage devices such as CD, DVD are secondary memory. What is secondary memory? The term secondary memory refers to storage devices through which a computer cannot directly access the data and instruction. It cannot directly access data and instruction. Okay. It is non-volatile by nature. It is non-volatile. Okay. It is non-volatile in nature. Okay. Some examples of storage devices are CD, DVD. We can store data and instruction here permanently. Okay. Okay. These are characteristics of computer. Your chapter is completed. Your homework is do question answer chapter 1. Okay, your chapter is completed and you have to do question answer chapter 1. If you have any problem, you can ask to me or on WhatsApp group in the classes. Okay, have a